the video. This video does not belong to me. It belongs to its rightful creators. I hope you enjoy. Sorry for my screaming. And of course your dumbass is so gentle with golf balls. Bruh, how the fuck did it bounce back? Is there a fucking rat in the hole? Bruh, do not act like fucking surprised you saw it bouncing back! There's a fucking rat in the hole! Do something about it! Roxanne! Oh my fucking god, you alright? You have been watching too much TikTok and gotcha TikTok videos. Go back to Facebook.
My face! My face! My face!
Roxanne's better beat your ass, Monty.
Give me back my face!
Yeah.
You could be a jerk sometimes, Monty, I swear to God. But hey, I can still jerk off your golf ball. Spider!
Mamá, se metió otro peje lagarto.
¡Otro peje lagarto! ¡Dame la mala pena!
He just smacked a bitch until Christmas Eve!